Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how I can add a custom border in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank workbook, and here you will find the ribbon at the top. Simply click on view, and here you will find this one, page layout. Click on that. So now this is how it looks like. Okay, so in order to add a border in it, you will find the first page. Then you have here the left side, the middle, and the right side. Now click on the middle, add header, double click on that. Then here you will find picture. Click on that. Now you will have three options. From a file, being image search, OneDrive personal. Click on from a file. And then simply choose as to where you have saved your border. So I saved it in downloads. So I'm just going to click on it and click on insert. Now that is just a word, as you can see. In order to make that a picture, click on the outside. And there you go. You have just added the picture. So what we can do is we just need to again double click on the middle one. And then click on header and footer. And then here we just need to simply choose this option, format picture. And then for the height and width, it's up to you to fit the border into the paper size. You can simply try. Now let's click on OK. Now this is how it looks like. So let's go back. Format picture. And then here for the height, you can also change that. And as you can see, the scale will also change itself, and click on OK. And now the picture moved. So that's it. That's how you can easily change or fit the border into the paper size. And if I'm going to type something, that will already have the border. Okay, so if you want to add another border to the more pages, you just need to click on that and the same border will appear, as you can see. And after that, you just need to save that from here. Click on the save icon and save it anywhere on your window. So that's it. That's how you can easily add a custom border on your Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.